Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। मैं हूं आरजे उर्मिन आपके साथ एंड वेलकम व्हाइल वी सेलिब्रेट इंटरनेशनल योगा डे। ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund presents Yoga Boot Camp powered by Bisleri. Visit shop.bisleri.com. Banking partner Kotak Mahindra Bank, associate partner Marino Laminates and health partner healthshots.com. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, मैं हूँ आरजे उर्मिन आपके साथ और आज इस इंटरनेशनल योगा डे के अवसर पर मेरे साथ एक ऐसी शख्स मौजूद है। वेल, शी हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ अचीवमेंट्स इन हर लाइफ। शी इज़ अ लाइफ साइंस स्टूडेंट, अ केमिकल इंजीनियर, अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, an internationally certified face yoga expert, and more importantly, she is joining us today at this beautiful yoga boot camp. Please welcome Priya Khandelwal.
Hello, very excited to be here with all of you. Thank you so much for having me.
Priya, it's such a pleasure to have you today with us. 2 दिनों के इस योगा बूट कैंप 2021 में हमने बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स सीखे, बहुत सारी चीज़ें जानी। एंड जब भी हम बात योगा की करते हैं तो वी नो अ फ्यू टेक्निक्स दैट यू नो हैव ऑलवेज बीन पॉपुलर। माई फेवरेट डेफिनेटली बीइंग द शवासन, विच इज़ जस्ट द बेस्ट थिंग एवर। मैं एक अपील डालने वाली हूँ कि मुझे कुछ और 20-25 मिनट्स का एक शवासन सीखना है। बट कमिंग टू फेस योगा, ये एक बहुत ही डिफरेंट टेक्निक है जो मैं पहली बार सुन भी रही हूँ, एंड आई एम सॉरी अबाउट इट। बट इफ़ आई मे जस्ट से दैट फेस योगा तो हम हर बार ही करते हैं। जब वाईफाई नहीं चल रहा है तो हम सैड वाला फेस बनाते हैं, जब हमारे बॉस हम बहुत तंग करते हैं तो हम ऐसे नाक सिकुड़ लेते हैं गुस्से से। तो what is so different about face yoga?
So, face yoga is here to correct everything you just did wrong. Okay, let me just put it as simply as that. What we've done throughout our lives, I'm 42 years old, and even while growing up or whatever, when your mom gets upset with you, जब कोई गुस्सा होता है, खुश होते हैं, angry होते हैं, sad होते हैं, all we're doing is over-expressing our faces. And as Indians, our language, even the English language, it is a very over-expressive language.
Correct.
So when you are frowning, you're creating frown lines. When you are smiling hard, you are creating, oops, just a moment.
No, of course.
I don't know why this is
ये
slipping
कौन
off.
सा एक अलग, you are creating what?
You are creating smile lines and squint lines throughout your life.
जी.
So face yoga actually नया practice नहीं है. Face yoga has been going on for centuries. It actually started in Japan.
Okay.
And it's only started gaining momentum and popularity in the last couple of years.
Amazing.
Okay. So face yoga is primarily about relaxing your overworked muscles.
Okay.
जैसे आपके forehead के muscles हैं, so you get horizontal lines, you get vertical lines in between your eyebrows. So it is about relaxing those muscles, and it is about toning the other muscles, like your cheek muscles, your lip muscles, your neck muscles, where you get the accumulated fat.
Okay.
So face yoga is a combination of facial exercise and relaxation techniques.
Amazing. As you can see, I'm your perfect client for this, क्योंकि I'm completely expressive. मुझे हर बात पर अपने expressions, और वो भी over the top expressions करना बहुत पसंद है, और आज मैं उन्हें पूरी तरीके से correct करने वाली हूँ। तो प्रिया, ये बताएं दैट आम तौर पर योगा करने के लिए हमें एक मैट की ज़रूरत होती है।
Right.
क्या फेस योगा हम कहीं पर भी कर सकते हैं?
फेस योगा कहीं पर भी कर सकते हैं, while driving your car, in between your Zoom office meetings, while taking a shower.
Okay.
Certain exercises can even be done while driving your car, but please be safe when you do that because we don't want someone next to you thinking that you've absolutely lost your mind. तो face yoga आप कहीं पर भी कर सकते हो, and I'm sure your next question is going to be कितने, मतलब what time?
Yes,
what time?
Of course.
There is no time for face yoga. You can do it before sleeping. You can do your relaxation techniques. Ideally, it would be lovely, like any other form of exercise, if you could do it in the morning. That would be really nice. But it doesn't matter. As long as you dedicate 10 minutes to 15 minutes a day.
Amazing. And I think all those who are watching us right now live on this yoga boot camp, thank you so much dosto for joining in. And I really have to say that, you know, this is going to be special because हम जितने भी लोग I'm going to be including myself in it. Priya, हम जितने भी लोग आज face yoga करने वाले हैं, we should just make sure that we keep pointers so that we can use it anywhere possible and just beautify our skin, our eyes, and so many things. So, are we ready? Are we ready?
We're ready, but I'd like to make one point here.
Yes, please.
It's not only about beauty. It's about relaxing. It's about anxiety. It's about calming your mind. And it's about loving yourself. So it's all about self-care, self-love, and lots of affirmations. And the way you look at yourself, the way you stand, your posture, your gait, your confidence, everything changes with face yoga. So it's
Lovely.
not only about anti-aging, of course it is, but that's not the message over here. The message is to be beautiful inside out and outside in.
Fabulous. I'm excited, and
I'm
I
always
think Priya,
excited.
the floor is yours. I'm going to be part of this. दोस्तों, आप हमें देख रहे हैं. I hope you are going to be following every technique. Please make sure that you just follow it with us, and if you have any questions, we're going to be answering all your questions. Priya is going to be answering all your questions by the end of the session. So let's get ready. Let me see all your smiley faces. सबसे पहले, we'll start with that, right?
A nice big smile, but don't squint your eyes.
Oh
Don't
my
smile
gosh.
like this.
Don't, okay, smiley face.
Just a normal-
Ready.
Okay. So, namaste everybody. Let's get started. Like any other form of exercise, face yoga requires a warm-up. Now, the warm-ups are very simple. You don't need to be standing. You can be sitting on your bed, on the floor, on a chair. And the one thing that I would want to really express over here is always make sure your shoulders are rolled back. Your shoulder is straight, your spine is straight. This is what we're trying to achieve, because the way your neck stands on your spine, the way you hold your face controls so many things. Also, another pointer for you all, because we are so on our computer screens and our mobile phones right now, please do me a favor. You want to reply to a message, आप नीचे type कीजिए. जब check कर रहे हो, आधे time तो ऊपर लीजिए phone को. So you at least hold your face up, okay? Also, please stop sitting like this, okay? Even if you're bored, even if your meeting is boring, you are never going to sit like this again, all right? Sit like this. Make these small lifestyle changes and you will start seeing the changes on your face. Okay, sorry, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to start doing now,
Yes.
okay? So let's start with first warming up our neck. Are you doing it with me?
Absolutely.
Okay, great. So we're going to do half rotations. You're going to put your face down and you're just going to swing your chin from your left
Okay.
to your right shoulder. Left shoulder to right shoulder. And for the last time, left to right. Now what you're going to do is you're going to look up at the sky around 45 degrees. You're not ever going to overstrain your neck. And you're going to just move your head from your ear to your shoulder. So ear to shoulder, ear to shoulder. And one more time, right to left. Very nice. Now what you're going to do is I'm going to move back a bit because I might hit you. You're going to stretch your hands out. You're going to interlace your hands behind your head. You're going to inhale and exhale and look down. And you're going to hold it here for 3, 2, 1. You're going to inhale back out, stretch your hands. And now what you're going to do is you are going to take your thumbs under your chin. And you're gently going to raise your chin up to the ceiling. And you're going to feel the stretch coming down your neck. This is your platysma muscle. It should feel nice and stretched. And relax. One point over here, guys, is that please do not hold your breath. When I say hold, I mean hold the pose. आप सांस को एकदम नहीं रोकोगे. Okay? Now let's do something for our shoulders and our posture. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to cross and clap.
Okay.
Cross
Cross,
and clap. Cross and clap. Cross and clap. I'm going to do it faster.
Oh,
And
this
you're
is
gonna
like
own it.
dancing.
Yeah, almost like dancing. See, such a oh, I love the way people are participating. I love this. Okay, great. All right. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to stretch our spine up. Okay.
Okay.
So and guys, you can do this even if you're not doing face yoga. This is great for your shoulders, your back, and your posture. You will feel so much better at the end of the day. You can do it 2 to 3 times. Okay. So we're going to do the frame. What you're going to do is you're going to inhale. You're going to stretch your hands up away from your ears. And you're going to exhale and look down. And I want you to feel that stretch on your spine. Okay? So relax, just let it go, let everything go. And let's do it one more time.
Okay.
Inhale, stretch, pull your hands up. Exhale and look down. And keep breathing for 3, 2, 1. And relax.
Oh, that was good. That
Yeah.
was good. And
Feeling
ऐसा लगा कि
loosened up?
face से ज़्यादा, like, you know, my body was feeling lighter.
It is. It's supposed to. And the minute you start feeling relaxed,
Yeah.
it starts showing on your face. Right? Okay. So one more. Let's do the butterfly. Okay. So what you're going to do, why I call this the butterfly, is because you have to open your wings and close your wings.
Okay.
So what you have to do is you have to just rotate your shoulders, open, inhale, and receive all the energy of the universe. Exhale and look down. One more time. Inhale and look up. Exhale and look down. And for the last time, inhale and look up. Exhale and look down. Lovely. Okay?
Ah.
Yeah. Now, if you don't have time in a day, ये सब exercise करने के लिए, you can simply wake up your facial muscles by something known as tapping. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your fingers, okay? Everyone wiggle their fingers, and you're going to do nice firm taps,
Okay.
Except under the eyes.
Oh, okay.
And you're going to follow my cue. So we're going to go from the upper face all the way down to your chest. So first you generate some heat, okay? And these tapping techniques are known to not only boost your collagen and elastin, that gives your skin its firmness and elasticity, but also to relieve anxiety.
Okay.
Okay, so it's very good for sleep. So if you
Oh.
start yawning during the session, it's good. Okay, so let's start tapping. Forehead to temple, nice firm taps. 5 to 6 seconds. Chin to cheek. Very nice. Just your cheek, not your eyes. Around the mouth with one hand. Face yoga also
like
burns
putting
calories.
this is like putting makeup.
And sweating. On the neck, ladies and gentlemen, always remember it's always tapping up to down and not down to up, and I'll explain that later. It's called lymphatic drainage. Getting rid of all the toxins. Now with your ring fingers, gently look up and just tap under the eyes. And we are ready to start. So let's start. Are we ready?
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
Okay. So let's start with our forehead. Okay? Now forehead, you have to remember that this is a very bada, stubborn muscle.
Right.
So the most important thing, the best thing you can do for your forehead is to just relax it.
Okay.
Okay? So what you're going to do is you're just rubbing, rub, 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 interlacing your fingers, placing your hands on your forehead. Just close your eyes and just hold it here for 10 seconds. Just breathe. Breathe and keep affirming something positive. And now we are going to do what I call the 30 strokes. So you're just going to take your fingers and you're going to gently stroke across your forehead from the center of your brows to your temples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20 and 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. After each pose, you have to smile. Inhale and exhale. Inhale the good, exhale the bad. All right, let's go to the owl. Okay, so please understand, anytime during face yoga, if you're doing anything that is on the corners of the eyes or under the eyes, बहुत हल्का pressure apply करना है. So whenever I say, like for example now, we're going to take our index fingers, place them above your eyebrows like this. Eyebrows के ऊपर. Thumbs with very gentle pressure under the eyes. You're just touching it, okay? You're going to exert pressure on the index fingers. You're going to press it inwards. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. You're going to press it inwards. And now what you're going to do is you're going to raise up your eyebrows. I know it looks scary. It's called an owl for a reason. Keep breathing in and out of your nose and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. When you do this exercise for the second time, I want you to make the mind muscle connection.
Okay.
आपने mind muscle connection के बारे में सुना होगा. बहुत तरीके के लोग होते हैं जिनको कभी देखना है, right? उनको देखना है कि उनके फेस पे क्या हो रहा है. Some people who want to touch, जैसे ये जो exercise था, then you look at yourself in the mirror, and some people who want to feel. I relate most to the people who want to feel. So I want you to make the mind muscle connection, and when you release, जब आप अपने हाथ निकालते हो, I want you to feel the blood rushing to your forehead. क्योंकि वो ही हम achieve करना चाहते हैं. Okay? One more time. Fingers on top of the eyebrows, pressure. Thumbs under, no pressure. Raise your eyebrows up. Focus on a point and breathe in and out of your nose. Keep holding for 3, 2, 1. Relax, close your eyes, and hopefully you felt the blood rushing to your forehead. If you did not, don't worry. These are your sleeping muscles or your overworked muscles. It could be either or. So don't worry about it. Face yoga just comes with practice.
So do you think that this is an exercise that we could definitely do before we go to bed?
You can do everything before you go to bed, but what I prefer is if you finish your face yoga routine and before bed, take your night cream and massage that into your skin.
Okay.
So आपका double हो जाता है, you know, वो night cream का भी effect हो जाता है and the muscle, relaxing exercises, so it's double benefit along with the tapping. Always remember कि कोई भी cream, even sunscreen डालने के बाद आप 10 seconds tapping कीजिए, it just maximizes the benefit and the absorption rather than rubbing. Please, after today, don't rub. You see the passion I say it with? Don't rub your skin. Tap your skin, please. All right. Okay, now let's go to the forehead right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your index fingers and you're going to place them in the center of your eyebrows. You're going to stretch the skin and you're going to open your eyes wide. You are not raising your forehead. आपका हाथ greasy है and you lose the, if it's slipping, do it again, no problem. Just keep the skin stretched. Open your eyes wide and breathe for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, close your eyes. You can just smooth the brow by giving a little heat on your forehead, and then we'll move towards the eyes. So just 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. All right, let's move towards the eyes. The first and most important thing I want you to remember is that no pressure on the side,
okay,
and very gentle pressure under. Okay? So first exercise we're going to do is the V. थोड़ा complicated है, but I explained quite well. Okay? Middle finger in the center of the eyebrows.
Okay.
Index finger को bend करके, okay, place them on the corners of your eye.
Okay.
Okay, and then you are going to squint. Squint, not frown. Squint, जैसे कोई दूर की object देख रहे हैं. और हम 3, 2, 1 hold करके 6 times करेंगे.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go. Fingers, fingers, and squint 2, 3, release. Squint 2, 3, release. Squint 2, 3, release. Squint, 2, 3, release. Squint, 2, 3, release. And last time, squint, 2, 3, and come out. Close your eyes. We're going to do this one more time. And did you feel anything?
I could feel a lot of concentration coming together.
Okay.
And eyes thoda sa
Pulse.
Yeah.
Pulse.
I could feel
so
it.
primarily what I want people to feel in this exercise is a slight pulsing on the corners of your eye. And this is an acupressure point, so it's a double combination. Yeah. So let's go one more time. Middle finger, center of the eyebrows, index fingers on the side, and let's squint. Squint, 2, 3, release. Squint, 2, 3, release. Squint, 2, 3, release. Don't forget to bend your index fingers. Squint, 2, 3, release. And for the last time, squint, 2, 3, release.
I could feel the pulse now.
Okay, I'm going to make you guys do something really fun now. It's called eye gymnastics
Okay.
with the alphabets. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to say A, B, C, D. And one of my clients asked me this, and it's a very valid question. She's like, Priya, capital or cursive? I'm like, capital, bhaiya, cursive mein aapka kahan jayega? Okay, so capital A to Z.
Okay.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your 3 fingers. You're going to place them under your eyes, okay? About an inch under your eyes, okay? Gentle pressure. You're not pulling or anything. You're just holding, you're restricting, आप muscle के movement को restrict कर रहे हो.
Okay.
चलो ABCD करते हैं आपके साथ. Okay, let's start. A, B, C,
C,
D,
D,
E,
E,
F,
F, O,
G, H,
H,
I,
I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
R, S, T,
U, V, W, X,
X,
Y,
Y,
Z.
Z.
Close your eyes. Close. Close. And now with your eyes closed, just take your index finger and we're going to do circle the eyes. So just take your index fingers and tap gently from your eyebrows to your, almost you can say your cheekbone. Just tap around the eyes and now make the circles smaller, smaller, bigger, bigger, smaller, smaller, and eyes हो गया. Very nice. I to have fun whenever I'm doing face yoga.
Oh my
So-
God. Some of the
Alright.
letters were just so complicated.
So can you imagine when I had just started my face yoga classes and I was asking people to do the alphabets and I didn't specify whether it was capital and cursive. उन लोग ने क्या सोचा होगा मेरे बारे में? Like think about an R. So complicated. Okay. Okay, guys. So now let's move towards the cheek. As you know, with age, हमारा skin. I just want to talk a little bit, you know, before we move into the cheeks and the jaw, because सबसे ज़्यादा concern होता है dark circles.
जी.
Sagging cheeks. हमें exercise नहीं करना, weight loss नहीं करना, हमारा face सुखड़ा हुआ लगेगा. Right? I don't want to lose the healthy glow from my skin. Do face yoga. You know, eat healthy, eat clean, eat foods that are good for your skin and do face yoga. So the next exercise is primarily for lifting, toning of the cheek muscles, and also, and this is a really underused muscle because we really don't smile as much as we frown, unfortunately, especially in the last year. So what you're going to do is, it's really simple. It's called hamster cheeks. So you're just going to gargle air. आप हवे के साथ, you know, कूला करने वाले हैं from your left cheek to your right.
Okay.
And we're going to do this for about 20 seconds. If your cheeks start hurting, please stop. Do face yoga in your comfort zone, please. एक दिन के face yoga से it's not, it's, you know, it's consistent practice. Okay, let's start. So just
Okay.
There are lots of people smiling around us right now. But you know what, guys? I have one thing to say. If you're smiling, then I'm boosting your immunity too.
Yes, absolutely.
So you can go ahead and smile and you can make your family members laugh because we're doing them a favor. Okay. Now, one more time. Okay? So just focus now. I want you to focus on this point. I want you to engage the apples of your cheek. Okay? Mind-muscle connection, guys. Let's go. Only 20 seconds. My students do it for a minute. Okay, come on. Inhale. And relax. Smile. Close your eyes. Inhale, exhale, and just be happy. I'm telling you, face yoga is a workout for me. I'm sweating.
It looks like it, definitely.
So guys, maybe there's an added advantage also for some of you out there. Calorie burn yoga.